Hello everyone, this is Ron, your favorite Zino 2 test pilot here. We're back at the beach again to do a little test flight and video test. This is actually a compilation of two different flights I think I did on back-to-back days. And this is after I applied the most recent aircraft firmware update and the most recent controller update. So I think it flew better, definitely hovered better than it did before. When you first took off, the sensors seemed to be working better. So in this video, I edited in Final Cut Pro, and I used the color wheels. If you're familiar with the color wheels, are to balance out the shadows, the midtones, the highlights. A little bit, so it has been color corrected because I want to see what it can do. I know everybody wants to do an auto, but I want to see what I could do when you apply a little editing to it. This is edit. I mean, I chopped the clips up, but I did leave some stuff in, like you'll see one point where the gimbal sort of just all of a sudden drops down for no reason. And another part in the video where you see the color flashing issue on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And, of course, you'll be able to see how much better it looks when I'm flying away from the sun than I am to the sun. Now the first part of this video, and I marked it in here, I'm flying with no filters on it at all. In the second half, I'm flying with the Freewell ND 32 polarized filter, and I don't think it really helped a whole lot or made a great difference, but I'll let you be the judge of that. And of course, you may not be able to fully judge this, as I freely admitted to adding this as best I could to make it look good. So just the overall impressions, I'm just pretty happy with the drone, again, with caveats like it doesn't always do, it never does very good if you're, aiming at the sun or, anything to overexpose it. I haven't tried playing with the exposure settings because one time I did try it and I thought I had some issues with the picture quality, declining, but that may have been I may not have the right memory card, so I've got a better memory card now when I first flew it. But anyhow, hope you enjoy the flight. A bunch of me yakking here, so I'm gonna get to the part where I've kind of added these nice little clips down. I'm gonna apply a little music to it, so I hope you enjoy it, and give me some feedback on what you thought, and we'll definitely see you on the next test flight. At your own cost, waiting to be reassured by you. When you've got your excuses to pursue, what's it gonna be when I'm alone in this world? Who will call me when I'm on my own? And then it hurts. Hey, Ron back here. I just wanted to let you know that last bit at the end of the video there, I sat the Zino 2 down on the top of the bulkhead there, and I forgot to stop the recording, and it got that bit of me walking up to the top of the sand dune to take a picture with my iPhone of the sunset, and so I went back and, you know, sped that video up and made it kind of look like a time lapse with the clouds rolling by. And then the photo at the end there is the photo I took with the iPhone 11 Pro staying on top of that dune there. So it, you know, when I walked up there, that's the result of the shot I got. So it was a terrific sunset that night. You can see how much better of a job the iPhone 11 did in capturing that sunset than the camera on the Zino too. So, all right. Thought you'd find it interesting. See you later.